weather.com.
Real-time reports when severe weather strikes. Go to weather.com/social. Now you're local on the 8s.
The National Weather Service has issued a weather bulletin. Currently, the temperature is 77 degrees with rainy conditions. Here's our local Doppler radar. Today, windy with showers and thunderstorms. High 82. Winds southeast at 20 to 30 miles per hour. 1 to 2 inches of rain expected. Flooding is possible in flood-prone areas. For tonight, rain and wind with a few rumbles of thunder. Low 75. Winds south-southeast at 25 to 35 miles per hour. Rainfall may reach 1 inch. Flooding is possible in flood-prone areas. On Monday, windy with periods of rain. High 76. Chance of rain 80%. Rainfall around a half an inch. Our week ahead.
When severe weather strikes, go to weather.